Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the plan schedule management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, plan schedule management is the process of establishing the policies, procedures and documentation for planning, developing, managing, executing and controlling the project schedule. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how the project schedule will be managed throughout the project. The inputs for plan schedule management process, first one is the project charter. The project charter defines the summary milestones schedule that will influence the management of the project schedule. Project management plan. Project management plan components include but are not limited to scope management plan. The scope management plan describes how the scope will be defined and developed, which will provide information on how the schedule will be developed. Development approach. The product development approach will help define the scheduling approach, estimating techniques, scheduling tools, and techniques for controlling the schedule. Enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the plan schedule management process include but are not limited to organizational culture and structure, team resource availability and skills and physical resource availability, scheduling software, guidelines and criteria for tailoring the organization's set of standard processes and procedures to satisfy the specific needs of the project, and commercial databases such as standardized estimating data. Organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the plan schedule management process include but are not limited to historical information and lesson learned repositories, existing formal and informal schedule development, management and control related policies, procedures and guidelines, templates and forms, monitoring and reporting data. Now the tools and technique for plan schedule management. First one is the expert judgment. Expertise should be considered from individuals or groups with specialized knowledge or training in previous similar projects. Schedule development, management and control. Scheduling methodologies, for example predictive or adaptive life cycle, scheduling software and the specific industry for which the project is developed. Data metrics. Data analysis. A data analysis technique that can be used for this process include but is not limited to alternative analysis. Alternative analysis can include determining which schedule methodology to use or how to combine various methods on the project. It can also include determining how detailed the schedule needs to be, the duration of waves for rolling wave planning, and how often it should be reviewed and updated. An appropriate balance between the level of detail needed to manage the schedule and the amount of time it takes to keep it up to date needs to be reached for each project. Meetings. Project teams may hold planning meetings to develop the schedule management plan. Participants at these meetings may include the project manager, the project sponsor, selected project team members, selected stakeholders, anyone with responsibility for schedule planning or execution, and others as needed as well. Now we shall discuss about the output. The output of this process, friend, is the schedule management plan. The schedule management plan is a component of the project management plan that establishes the criteria and the activities for developing, monitoring, and controlling the schedule. The schedule management plan may be formal or informal, highly detailed or broadly framed based on the needs of the project and includes appropriate control thresholds. The schedule management plan can establish the project schedule model development, the scheduling methodology, and the scheduling tool to be used in the development of the project schedule model are specified. Release and integration length. When using an adaptive life cycle, the time box periods for releases, waves, and iterations are specified. Time box periods are durations during which the team works steadily toward completion of a goal. Time boxing helps to minimize scope creep as it forces the teams to process essential features first, then other features when time permits. Level of accuracy. The level of accuracy specifies the acceptable range used in determining realistic activity duration estimates and may include an amount for contingencies. Units of measures. Each unit of measurement, such as staff hours, staff days, or weeks for time measures, or meters, liters, tons, kilometers, or cubic yards for quantity measures, is defined for each of the resources. Organizational procedures links. The work breakdown structure WBS provides the framework for the schedule management plan, allowing for consistency with the estimates and resulting schedules. Then, friend, next one is the project schedule maintenance, the process used to update the status and record progress of the project in the schedule model during the execution of the project is defined. Control thresholds. Variance thresholds for monitoring schedule performance may be specified to indicate an agreed amount of variation to be allowed before some action needs to be taken. Thresholds are typically expressed as percentage deviations from the parameters established in the baseline plan. Rules of performance measurement. Earned value management rules or other physical measurement rules of performance measurement are set. For example, the schedule management plan may specify the rules for establishing percentage complete EVM techniques, for example, baseline, fixed formula, percent complete, etc., to be employed for more specific information for that purpose. So, uh, these are the things we have discussed. Then, friend, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And if you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer your queries. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video.